This is Optimus, a humanoid robot from Tesla. Elon Musk's long-term goal is to get its price under $20,000. But we're going to imagine a world where a version of it exists today for just $8,500. And this is Gordon Ramsay, a culinary legend who has earned a mind-blowing 17 Michelin stars over his career. Today, we are staging a hypothetical culinary battle that gets closer to reality every single day. In a one-on-one cooking war, what wins? The ice-cold precision of a machine or the fiery creative genius of a master chef? Let's find out. Welcome to the ultimate cooking showdown. A battle that isn't actually happening in a real kitchen, but one being fought in robotics labs all over the world. In one corner, we have the king of the kitchen, Gordon Ramsay, a man whose name basically means culinary perfection. And in the other corner, we have a vision of the future, the Tesla Optimus robot. Now, let's be super clear. As of today, you can't buy an Optimus bot to be your personal chef, and no public demo has shown it whipping up gourmet meals. The idea of it challenging a chef like Ramsay is, for now, a total what-if scenario. But it's a what-if that's based on some insane technology. The goal for Optimus is to build a robot that can do all the boring, repetitive, or unsafe jobs humans don't want to do. And the tech is moving so fast that the question isn't if a robot could cook for you, but how well it will cook. So we're going to stage that battle right now. We're pitting Elon Musk's vision for Optimus against the legendary Gordon Ramsay in the ultimate cooking challenge. The dish, the Mount Everest of cooking, a perfect beef Wellington. Who's taking the win? Man or machine? So who is our robot challenger? The Optimus robot is a huge step forward in AI and robotics. This isn't just a robot arm you program. It's designed to be a true humanoid that can learn and operate in the real world on its own. The secret is how it learns. The AI brain of Optimus is being built to learn just by watching people. Theoretically, it could watch thousands of hours of YouTube cooking videos, soaking up every slice and dice from the world's best chefs with a perfect memory. It wouldn't just be following a recipe, it would copy the exact technique it sees, without mistakes, every single time. There's no evidence it can do this for cooking yet, but that is the ultimate goal. Then you have the hardware. The human hand is amazing, with 27 degrees of freedom. The Optimus hand is being designed with 22 degrees of freedom, which lets it handle delicate things and do tasks that need insane motor skills, like chopping veggies or plating a dish. And powering all this, endurance that no human can ever hope to match. With Tesla's battery tech, a future Optimus could work for hours without a single break. Think about it. A chef that never gets tired, never has a bad day, and never forgets an ingredient. While the current prototypes are still learning basic stuff like folding laundry, the foundation is being built for this kind of next-level work. This is the machine we're putting up against a master. And what a master he is! Gordon Ramsay isn't just a TV star, he's a culinary force of nature. With a career that has racked up 17 Michelin stars, he's built a global empire on pure skill, discipline, and an almost magical understanding of flavor. While the robot runs on data, Ramsay runs on something you can't code: intuition. It's the ability to know, just by the smell in the air, if an oven is hot enough. It's the genius to ditch a recipe halfway through because the ingredients are telling him to do something different. He doesn't just cook, he creates, he adapts. This is that human element earned from decades of 18-hour days in high-pressure kitchens. Optimus is built for consistency, but Ramsay is famous for creativity. Optimus would follow instructions perfectly, but Ramsay writes the instructions. He sets the standard. His expertise is so legendary that he even has a masterclass breaking down his secrets. This adaptability is the core of human genius. And it's the one thing AI struggles to copy. Can a machine that has never tasted food actually know what makes it delicious? That's the real question. The challenge is on. Both competitors have to make the perfect beef Wellington. Let's imagine Optimus starting. It instantly analyzes the top dozen beef Wellington video tutorials and creates one perfect master plan. It sears a beef fillet using infrared sensors to get a flawless crust, timed to the millisecond. The mushrooms for the duxelles are chopped into perfect 1mm cubes. The moisture is analyzed in real time. Everything is geometrically perfect. The robot's process is a quiet, hypnotic dance of pure efficiency. It's clean, it's perfect, and it's totally emotionless. But then a problem. The puff pastry it was given is a tiny bit drier than the pastry in its video data. The robot, which can't truly feel or taste, doesn't adjust. It keeps following its perfect plan with a slightly imperfect ingredient. The final product looks like a masterpiece, ready for the oven. Now it's Ramsay's turn. He storms into the kitchen with controlled chaos. He doesn't measure the salt, he feels it. He slams the pan down, listening to the sizzle to know the heat is right. He tastes everything. He tries the duxelles, and with a spark of genius, adds a splash of brandy that wasn't in his original plan. He feels the puff pastry, notices it's dry, and brushes it with a thin layer of egg wash on the inside to create a moisture barrier. His movements aren't as perfect as the robot's, but they are full of purpose and a lifetime of experience. He works with passion and an artist's touch. His Wellington isn't as geometrically flawless as the robot's, but it feels alive. It's a dish made from instinct, not instructions. Both Wellingtons go into identical ovens, and now we wait. The two beef Wellingtons are sliced open. Both are a perfect medium rare. First, the judges taste the robot's creation. They're blown away. The technical skill is unreal, one says. Every layer is perfect. The pastry is so crisp. But then, a pause. It's kind of one note, another adds. It's perfect, but it's not exciting. Then they taste Ramsay's Wellington. There's a moment of silence. Then, a huge smile. "Oh, wow," a judge says. "There's so much flavor. That little hint of brandy, it just cuts through all the richness. The seasoning is more confident. The pastry is perfect, the beef is tender, and all the flavors work together beautifully." The verdict is unanimous. The winner is Gordon Ramsay. The robot's dish was technically perfect, a huge win for engineering. But Ramsay's dish had something you can't program: soul. It had a story. It was a reflection of his experience, his creativity, and his guts to break the rules to make something unforgettable. So, does this mean humans will always be better? For now, when it comes to creativity, yes. But this thought experiment shows us something bigger. The point of robotics isn't to replace Gordon Ramsay, it's to change cooking for the rest of us. While a humanoid chef isn't in our homes yet, other cooking robots are. Companies like Moly Robotics have systems that can cook entire meals, but they come with a massive price tag of over $300,000 and need a lot of human setup. In restaurants, robots are already being used for repetitive jobs like frying food, which makes kitchens more efficient. This tech could help with labor shortages and free up human chefs to focus on being creative. For your home, the potential is even bigger. Imagine an Optimus in your kitchen. It could make meals exactly for your diet and tastes. For elderly people or those with disabilities, it could be a life-changing tool for independence. And since it can learn from any video, your dinner menu would be literally endless. The robot may have lost our hypothetical battle today, but its precision is insane. So what do you think? In 10 years, could a robot with better sensors and AI actually win this fight? Let us know in the comments who you'd bet on in the future. Team Robot or Team Ramsay? And what should they cook next? This showdown between Optimus and Gordon Ramsay is more than just a contest. It's a preview of our future. It shows the incredible power of machine precision, but also reminds us of the priceless value of human creativity. The future kitchen probably isn't one where robots replace all the chefs. It's likely a world where chefs are more like orchestra conductors, leading a team of super precise, tireless robotic helpers. Technology will keep getting better, and one day a machine might just make a dish so perfect it earns its own Michelin star. But it will have only learned how by watching generations of brilliant and passionate human chefs, like Gordon Ramsay, who poured their souls onto the plate first.